What is up, you guys? Today I'm going to show you how to make these super quick and cute Halloween treats. So if you're interested, please keep watching. So for the first spooky treat, guys, you're going to need an apple, some peanut butter, and marshmallows. Go ahead and wash your apple and all that jazz. Then cut your apple in 4 slices. I'm going to show you the way not to cut it on the first one, guys. I'm not gonna lie, it came out bad, but I wanted to include it on here so you can see that I am not perfect. Everybody makes mistakes, and Halloween is supposed to be fun. You're supposed to have fun with your kiddos and all your loved ones. So you will be seeing here that it kind of cut too much. It ripped. But on the second one, I will be showing you how it's supposed to be. Always be careful working with a knife, guys. If you are a young one, please tell your parents to help you. And even if you're older, always be careful with knives. So you can see the second one came out perfect. We're going to take the peanut butter and insert it at that little opening that I just made. It doesn't have to be super clean, guys. It could be kind of messy. After this is the fun part, guys. You're going to take your marshmallows and some scissors, and you're going to cut your marshmallows from one corner to the other, and this is going to mimic teeth. So I'm going to show you right there how to cut it. And I cut about, I believe it was 6 marshmallows, and you're going to place them any way you want. I just placed them one next to the other, and it came out super creepy and cute at the same time. I loved how this looked. For the second treat, you're going to need M&Ms, marshmallows, peanut butter, and a couple of Ziploc bags. You will be seeing me use them throughout the whole video. For the second treat, guys, we're going to make little monsters. So go ahead and take your peanut butter, the knife, and the little baggie, and place a small amount of peanut butter in the bag. And go ahead and cut the tip off. So after doing this, you're going to take your marshmallow and make 2 eyes. And on top of the peanut butter, you're going to add the M&Ms. Go ahead and put them or place them anywhere you want. And after making the eyes, go ahead and draw a little smile. I went ahead and I gave you guys another example. For this one, I only made 1 eye. And of course, the creepy smile. So for the third treat, guys, you're going to need Oreos. I found this candy quick at Walmart, but you could use any meltable chocolate, toothpicks, and a couple bags. You are also going to need milk chocolate, guys. So I went ahead and I melted some in the microwave. So you're going to take the little bag and place about a teaspoon of the candy quick or the white chocolate inside the bag and cut the little tip off, and you're going to drizzle the candy quick on top of the Oreo. If you want to go ahead and drizzle it all over the Oreo, you can, but I only drizzled it about 2/3 of the whole Oreo. And then after this, you're going to make the little eyes. You could go ahead and leave it as you see on the screen, but I went ahead and I took a toothpick and I added 2 little dots inside, and it turned out so cute. A little messy, I'm not gonna lie, but it turned out really cute. So for the next one, you need the same ingredients. I went ahead and I dropped the Oreo inside the candy quick. And to take this out, because I didn't want to put my fingers in here, I went ahead and I used a toothpick to help me take this out. And it was pretty easy, I'm not gonna lie. And then I went ahead and I placed it on the plate, and I started drawing eyes with another toothpick. But you will see on your screen what happened. This was an epic fail. I could not stop laughing. When I was recording this, guys, I had a little mini laugh attack, and I'm like, you know what? I'm going to include this so they could laugh with me. For the next one, guys, I wanted to make a little bat. So I went ahead and I opened the Oreo. I took another top of another Oreo, cut it in half, added some candy quick inside the Oreo, and placed the bat wings inside. And to secure this so it wouldn't move, I added more candy quick on top, and I went ahead and I closed the Oreo, and I wanted to add a little face. So I went ahead and I took the candy quick inside a little baggie and added some eyes. Also added some milk chocolate on top, and it came out so cute. I think this was my favorite one. So for the next treat, guys, I made little ghosts. So I used Rice Krispies for this, and the candy quick and the milk chocolate as well. I went ahead and I drizzled some candy quick on top of the Rice Krispies, and I took the milk chocolate and I added little eyes, and oh my god, I was obsessed on how these turned out. These are so cute. Also made these other three. Look at how this one is dancing, literally wanting to leave the plate. These three turned out so cute. And that is it for today, guys. I hope you got a good laugh at this. Have a happy and safe Halloween, and I will see you in my next video. Bye for now.